Though urinary tract infection (UTI) is a general problem, it is more common amongst women than men. This problem becomes serious because many women do not follow the commonest protocol to prevent or minimize the chances of UTI. Preventive measures: drink 10 to 14 glasses of water to protect oneself from urinary infection. Drinking so much water flushes out bacteria and other microorganisms which contaminate the urinary tract. Do not suppress the urge to urinate, as it may have dire consequences on your health, leading to a fully developed urinary tract infection. Always wipe yourself from front to back. This stops the entry of the bacteria from the anus into the vagina or urethra. After having a bath or a bowel movement, follow this simple rule. Take showers instead of bubble bath to prevent entrance of bacteria into the urethra which causes UTI. Wash your genital area before and after a sexual intercourse. Also urinate before and after an intercourse. This avoids the transference of bacteria from one partner to another. Douching and scented sprays can cause infection and irritation of the vaginal area. These do not help the cause of alleviating the urinary tract infection problem. Drink good amount of cranberry juice as it one of the most simple and natural way of treating urinary tract infection. It prevents as well as heals the infection due to its medicinal properties. Stay away from caffeine found in coffee, tea, carbonated drinks, chocolates and many more. On the onset of urinary tract symptoms, consume vitamin C supplements. It increases the acidity level of urine which helps to decrease the bacteria present in the urinary tract. You can apply a warm heating pad or hot water bottle on your abdomen to ease the pain. Use of spices like cinnamon and tincture mixture of herbs like buku, uva ursi and juniper berries can act as antiseptics to clean kidney and bladder. Drink 1 glass of water for every 10 hours of the day. This will help you keep tab on the amount of water you drink. Avoid bladder irritants like citrus, tomatoes, aged cheese, chocolate, spicy food, caffeine, alcohol and nicotine. The irritants may differ for some individuals, but these are some of the common ones. Avoid tight underwear as it creates an ideal environment for undesirable bacteria to breed. Warning: the reader of this article should exercise all precautionary measures while following instructions on the home remedies from this article. Avoid using any of these products if you are allergic to it. The responsibility lies with the reader and not with the site or the writer.